In this question, we're going to find the x-intercepts for the domain between 0 and 2 pi. We have the answers right here. Let's see how we get to the answers. So to find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0. So we have 0 equals 2 sine 2x minus root 3. Bring the root 3 to the other side and divide both sides by 2. We have root 3 over 2 equals sine 2x. Now we know sine is equal to root 3 over 2 with the triangles 1, 2, root 3. So 60 degrees, or in other words, pi on 3. So that is our base angle. We also know that it is positive. So sine is positive in the first and the second quadrant. So now we join these two pieces of information and the domain. So we have three things we are thinking about here. So the domain, pi on 3, and the quadrants. We're going to use these three to find our solutions. So the first answer is pi on 3. The second answer is, that's pi minus pi on 3. And because we are dealing with, let's pick another color. We're dealing with this domain, we should go further because our answers are for 2x. These answers are not for theta. These answers are for 2x. So we know that with the 2, we're going to divide by 2 later on. So let's keep going. So we're going to go to 1, 2, 2 pi plus theta. So 2 pi plus our pi on 3. And then if we keep going, I'll draw it again. We get 1, 2, 3 minus theta. So now we have, it's best not to try to divide by 2 and do everything at once. It only takes seconds to work it out this way. So 3 minus 1 is 2 pi on 3. 6 plus 1 is 7 pi on 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8 pi on 3. So I prefer doing it this way and then dividing by 2 because you can do this with very little thinking, which means you're less likely to make mistakes. So dividing this by 2 will be 2 pi on 6 or pi on 3. Dividing this by 2 would mean 7 pi on 6, and dividing this guy by 2 would mean 8 pi on 6 or 4 pi on 3, which is what we wanted.